Recently, I've talked a lot about AI tools that I believe are incredibly valuable for small businesses. One of these tools is an innovative AI-driven website builder called Durable AI. And today I'm excited to dive into this website builder and share how you can generate a responsive, full-feature and unique website using the one and only Durable AI. Okay, so just quickly before we go ahead and launch into Durable AI, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already or if you're new to this channel, and that way you'll stay updated with actionable videos and tutorials designed to equip you with the skills, knowledge and tools to help your small business thrive online. And with that happy note out the way, let's go ahead and use artificial intelligence to generate a mind-blowing website using Durable AI. Okay, so before we dive into this Durable AI tutorial and review, simply head over to your browser and type in durable.co, or feel free to click the link in our description below this video, and that's going to take you to the Durable website. Now, just quickly, it's important to note that Durable AI has sponsored this video, so I just want to say a big thank you to Durable AI for sponsoring this video and supporting our educational content for small businesses. Now, Durable believes they have the fastest website builder on the market. You can essentially build a website using AI in less than 30 seconds. At the moment, AI web design is, well, it's just okay. It's definitely becoming better, but for most website builders that offer AI-generated websites, these websites do not look quite right. However, what I've found is Durable AI generates websites that don't look like they've been created with AI, and they've been created by a professional designer. Okay, so before we generate our website using Durable's AI website builder, it's important to note that Durable is not just an AI website builder, it's also an AI toolkit for small businesses. And I'll talk more about these complementary tools later on in this tutorial. Okay, so let's go ahead and generate a website using AI. Simply navigate down to Generate Your Website. Then simply add what type of business you are building. I'm going to add consulting. And here we have business consulting. Then go ahead and click on next. Then add where your business is located and click next again. Here we want to add our business name. Then come down and generate your website. Give Durable AI a moment to generate your unique website. And just like that, in a matter of seconds, Durable AI is going to generate your website homepage. So let's navigate through these different sections on our homepage. I like the look of this. However, what we can do is quickly go ahead and regenerate this section if we like. So as you can see, this website page is made up of these sections, and we can simply go ahead and regenerate this section if we don't quite like the look of that particular section. Now, with each of these website sections, what we can also do is simply click on this drop down, and we can use AI to regenerate the content, style, and again regenerate the entire section. For example, if I click on content, Durable AI is going to regenerate that content. We can also click the drop down and click on style, and that's going to regenerate the style. Let's try that for this section here. So I'm happy with that. Now, if we navigate up to the top, we can also regenerate the entire website page. However, with this first AI generated attempt, I'm pretty happy with my homepage. You can see I have my social media links up here and a strong call to action, free consultation. If we navigate down to the first section, you can see we have a call to action button down here, learn more. And then you can see we have important sections on our homepage. We have services, we have a description about our business up here, we have a few snippets of information, we have an about us section, as well as some information about our services and more. However, what we want to do is further customize our website. To do that, we need to navigate up to customize, and then we need to create a free account. To do that, simply go ahead and sign up with Google or add your email address and password down here. I'm going to quickly go ahead and do that now. Then come down and click on Create Your Account. And now we can further customize our website. Now, in order for us to publish our website live online and get a free custom domain name, we will need to upgrade to a paid plan. And prices start at $12 per month through to $20 per month. However, you do get a free custom domain with each of these plans, and you also get a 30-day money-back guarantee, and you can cancel at any time. And the main difference between the starter and the business plan is the quota limits in terms of storage and AI-generated content. And for our small business website, we currently only have a homepage. So navigate up to the top, and what we want to do is create additional pages. Here we have the option to create a page from scratch, or we can generate a page using AI. I'm going to navigate down and add a contact page. Give Durable AI a moment to generate your new contact page. And as you can see, a new contact page has been added. Now what we can do is navigate up to Add Section, and we can add a new website section. I'm going to go ahead and add a banner, and then navigate down and click on Save. And let's go ahead and change the text of this banner. Simply click on Edit, and then change the heading. I'm going to change this to Contact Us. And with this banner section, we also have other options down here. You can see I can use AI to regenerate the heading text as well as the subtext over here. And this banner also has a button, and we can change the label and link this button to a different page if we like. And I'm going to do this later once I've created my other pages. To save your changes, simply click on Save. Now we can also navigate over to Style, and we can change the background colors, the button style, as well as the background image down here. Now where you see this option to regenerate, this means you can regenerate the content within that section, within that element. Okay, so for now I'm going to navigate down and click on Save. Again, I can regenerate this section if I like. If I click on this drop down, I can regenerate the content, style, and again the entire section. I can also duplicate the section and move the section up and down depending on where I want this section placed on my website page. Okay, so let's go ahead and create another page by navigating up to Create Page. And this time I'm going to navigate down and create a services page. And Durable will generate your website page in just a few seconds. Again, I'm going to add another banner by simply navigating up to Add Section. And I'm going to add another banner. And I'm going to change this text here by simply clicking on Edit and changing this to Services. And again, with each of your sections, you can customize the content over on the right hand side. For now, I'm going to navigate down and click on Save. And then for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and add one more page. Now I can also go ahead and click on Open AI Assist. And this allows me to select a specific action in order to leverage AI to achieve that action. For example, regenerate current page, create a blog post, create a new website page, publish my website, add social links to my website, and then we have more options down here. I'm going to navigate up to the top and click on Create a New Website Page. That's going to generate these pages again, and this time I'm going to simply add an About Us page. And just like that, the About Us page has been created. I'm going to regenerate this section by clicking Regenerate, and then click on Entire Section. And let's try that one more time. And I'm happy with that. I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit, and you can see this is just a cover image. So I'm actually going to go ahead and click on Exit, and delete this section by clicking the bin icon, and then clicking Delete, and then clicking Add Section, Banner, and then changing the content. Now similar to our other pages, our banner has a button. Down here, I want to link this button to our contact page. To do that, simply click here, the drop down, then come down and click on Page, and then select the page you want to link this button to. I'm going to go ahead and click on Contact, and then click on Save. I'm also going to navigate up to this header section and click on Edit Header. And then I'm going to navigate down to this button, the free consultation, this call to action. And this is a button that links to, I'm going to select Page and then click on the page and then select our contact page. I can also navigate down and add my social media links by simply clicking Add Channel and then selecting the type of social media channel, for example LinkedIn, and then adding my LinkedIn company page here and then clicking Save. I'm going to go ahead and click on Save. And as you can see inside our header, we now have 3 pages. We have a social media link, and then we have the call to action, free consultation, which will take the website user, the visitor, over to the contact page. So what you want to do is take the time to create your different website pages. Now I can also add my logo by navigating over to Edit Header. And then what I can do is navigate down and click on Replace Company Name with a logo. And I want to upload my logo. Simply click on Upload, and then locate your logo. Here's my logo down here. I'm going to go ahead and click on Open. And I'm happy with the sizing, so I'm going to navigate down and click on Save. And remember, when creating your website, you have access to the AI Assistant. And this AI feature can help support you in creating your website. Now let's take a look at some other sections. So for example, if I come down and click on Add Section, I can also add these other different sections that have been created by Durable. For example, I can add a Calendly booking form. This connects with your Calendly account, and this will enable your customers to be able to book meetings with you. You can also add a contact form, embed an object with code, add a gallery which displays multiple images. You can add an Instagram feed if you like, a single image, list, and more down here. If you had a pricing page, you can add a pricing table. And then let's say on your homepage, you could add a video about your business. You can also search for the particular section or widget that you're after. Okay, so I'm going to exit out of this. Now, if we navigate over to the right, we can click on theme, and this is where we can customize the global theme of our website. For example, here's our color palette at the moment. We can navigate over to edit, and we can simply change the mood. For example, at the moment we have dark selected. If I come down, let's say I wanted to add light in terms of the global colors for this website. However, I'm going to navigate back over to dark, and I'm going to select this option down here. I'm happy with this. I'm going to go ahead and click on save. Then I'm going to navigate back up to theme. We can also click on edit, and we can add a custom color palette if we like. Let's navigate back and then come down and change the font. This is going to change the overall font of our website content. Then we can also change the button styles on our website pages, as well as the animations in terms of how elements appear when a page is loaded. Down here, you want to add your browser icon, your favicon, add an icon to display on browser tabs. I'm going to go ahead and add one here. And if you don't have a favicon, you do not have a logo yet, you can use an image or you can choose from an icon. For now, I'm just going to use this icon here. Now let's go ahead and click on save. Next, we want to navigate over to this desktop icon. This allows us to preview and edit our website pages across different devices. I'm going to navigate down and click on phone. And this is what our website pages look like on mobile. I can click here and edit the header. I can come down, click on this section and simply click on edit, and then edit the content for mobile. Remember, you want to make your website pages responsive across all your devices. So navigate through each of the different devices, desktop, tablet, and mobile, and make sure your content on your website pages are responsive. I'm going to navigate up here and then click on home. And as you can see, this home page is responsive on mobile. Next, we want to navigate over to widgets. And widgets allow you to add functionality to your website. For example, you could add a WhatsApp button, which will allow your website visitors to chat with you via WhatsApp on your website. Or you can add a messenger chat, which allows users to start chatting using Messenger on your website. And chat widgets like Messenger Chat or WhatsApp Button are important for improving your website visitors' experience on your website. Okay, so let's exit out of this and then navigate over to support. This is where you can get in touch with Durable support if you have any questions or issues. Okay, so I'm going to navigate back over to my desktop version, the desktop view. And again, like I mentioned, you want to spend time customizing your website pages, adding all the pages that you want, making sure that your buttons connect to the right pages, and ensuring that your content is correct on each of your different sections. Now what we want to do is dive into the back end of our Durable website and access some of the other AI tools that you can leverage. Simply navigate up to Exit Editor, and that's going to take us to our Durable dashboard where we can manage our website as well as other business tools. For example, at the moment we have website selected. This is where we can manage our website. If we want to edit our website, simply go ahead and click on edit. Now under website, if we navigate over to analytics, you can preview the analytics of your website. So here you can preview and manage basic analytics in regards to your website. Next, we have optimize, and this is where you can further optimize your website so that you can be discovered on search engines like Google Search. Simply navigate down and view each of these optimization suggestions. For example, you want to claim a custom domain name. This is going to help your website with branding and also discoverability on search engines. You also want to enable indexing, create a blog so you can start producing content on your website, and also link your website to your social media channels. Again, take the time to navigate through these optimization suggestions. Okay, so next we have settings. Now, if you're ready to purchase a custom domain, simply navigate down here and you can search for that domain, see if it's available, and you can purchase that domain and connect it to your website through Durable AI. If we navigate down further, here you can see that indexing is your website indexed on Google, Bing, and other search engines, and then we have custom code down here. This is, for example, if you want to connect, let's say, Google Analytics or another tool with your website, you can go ahead and add that code in here. Okay, so let's navigate back up to the top and then head over to marketing. So we've talked about AI in terms of generating a website and managing your website inside Durable AI. Now let's look at some of the AI tools that Durable AI has to offer small businesses. If we navigate over to marketing, here you can use AI inside Durable to create marketing materials that you can then publish across your different platforms. For example, let's go ahead and click on Create Promotion. Here we have the option to create a Google ad, Facebook post, tweet, as well as an email. So let's say we wanted to create a Facebook post. I can go ahead and click on Create and then navigate up here and add a prompt based on the type of post that you want to create. For example, I want to create a digital marketing post that focuses on helping small businesses. Then navigate down and choose a tone of voice. I'm going to come down and keep professional selected and then click on generate. And as you can see, just from adding a simple prompt like this, Durable AI has gone ahead and generated this post. Now what I can also do is click on this post, and that's going to allow me to manually make changes to the content here as well as to the image down here. So I'm going to navigate up and click exit. And let's say I'm happy with this AI generated Facebook post. I can come down and click on save and then click on copy content. And then all I need to do is navigate up here and copy this content up here for my Facebook post, then come down and download the image and then head over to Facebook and paste that into a post as well as upload the image that I just downloaded. So essentially this marketing tool assists you in creating content for your different channels. Again, we can navigate up here and click exit, and then navigate back over to promotion, and that's going to save that Facebook post here. I can use this later on if I like. I'm going to navigate over to create promotion again, and then I can navigate down to email and create an AI generated email. And again, we have the same option. We can add a prompt about what this email is about, and then we can choose the tone of voice. Okay, so what we're going to do is head back and then navigate across and click on brand. And then down here we want to upload our logo and choose our brand colors. And this is important for our online branding. This is going to allow us to add branding to the other different tools that Durable has to offer. For example, when you upload your logo and add your branded colors, these branding attributes will be added to your invoices and website. So I'm going to navigate down and add a logo by selecting upload and then locating a logo. And I'm going to use this logo here and click on open. Again, I'm going to quickly go ahead and change the colors, and I'm happy with those colors, and then click on save. Now, if we navigate back up to branding, next to branding, we have reviews, and this allows us to collect reviews from our customers. However, you do need to upgrade to the business plan in order to use this feature. I'm going to go ahead and click on cancel, and then navigate over to CRM on the left-hand side under marketing. And under CRM, Customer Relationship Management System, this is where you can manage all your customers in one place. You can add contacts, you can import contacts, you can manage all your contacts, you can add tasks and send emails, as well as customize your columns. So one of the great things I like about Durable AI for small businesses is they allow you to engage in customer relationship management activities all in one platform. Now, a lot of small businesses do not need an advanced CRM like HubSpot, Zoho, Keep, or any of these other platforms. They just need a place where they can simply manage their contacts. So this is an effective yet simple CRM for small teams, small businesses. For example, if we go ahead and click on Add Contact, I'm going to quickly go ahead and create a new contact. And as you can see, I've added an example contact, personal information, first name, last name, then their phone down here, email, and the company. Then down here we have the status. So if we click here, we can choose the status. Are they a current customer, past customer, or a lead? So that is a simple sales process that we can take our customers through. Then over here we have source. I'm going to navigate down and say website, they came from the website, and then we have the address and then notes down here. This is a new roofing business lead. I'm going to come down and click on save, and as you can see, we now have one contact within our CRM. If I navigate across, I can click on settings, and I can add additional columns down here if I like, or I can add a new field. So if I want to add a new field to the column, I can over here. For example, I'm going to go ahead and click on date, and I'm going to type in contacted. And this is for when the contact has been contacted. I'm going to go down and click on save. And then if I navigate across to this contact, I can click down here and I can send an invoice, email, request a review, and manage this contact. So if I go ahead and click on email, this is where I can sync my email. So for example, if I use Gmail, if I use Google Workspace, I can go ahead and sync my emails directly inside my Durable account. And that means I don't have to leave Durable and head over to my Gmail account to compose an email. I'm going to navigate down and click exit. And as you can see, I can navigate up to the top right hand corner and compose a new message, a new email. We can also navigate down and create an invoice for this client, for this contact. And that takes us on to the next section, which is invoicing. If I click on invoicing, this is where we can create and manage invoices. We can also set up credit card payments inside Durable, and that way contacts can make payments through our Durable account. Then if we navigate down further, we have Assistant, and this is simply an AI chat tool similar to ChatGPT. You can basically add any prompt that you like and you will get answers. You also have these quick commands, for example, edit my website, create a Facebook post, write a marketing strategy for me, make a website public, and these others down here. But let's say you wanted to create a blog post, and what you can do is simply add, please create a blog post, and then add the topic and the type of information that you want to see. So again, if you want to generate any type of content using AI, then you can simply head over to Assistant and you can use their AI Assistant to generate any type of AI content that you're after. We can also navigate over to Documents, and this is where you can manage all the documents based on the content you've created using the AI Assistant. Okay, so what I'm going to do is navigate back to Home, and that is everything I wanted to cover in this Durable AI review and tutorial, helping you get started and understand how Durable AI works. And there we have it, guys. That is it for this all-in-one Durable AI review and tutorial. Now, if you have any questions about Durable AI, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this tutorial all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. And that way, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.